Familiar faces here. I hope you had fun here, and I'm still waiting to see Bitcoin's price at the end of the event because Michael always right and he says it goes up. I'm banging on that. So I'm here on behalf of LUCA, which is a portfolio company, to present it. So what is LUCA? Well, we have a problem in the game industry. The problem is that it costs too much, hundreds of millions of dollars to create a AAA title, and the VC scene has dried up 77% since the peak. However, the big studios still insist on repeating the same thing, expecting different results, which is the definition of insanity. So the solution is Web3. So we should be able of going to the masses and use the end users, the players, the people that would actually use your product to co-create with you. So utilizing AI creation, utilizing tokenized fundraising together, and monetizing the USGs. However, have you ever played a Web3 game that is worth playing? No. Why?
Yes.
Which one?
Yes. Lots of them. Off the grid.
Off the grid is a good example. Shrapnel was another attempt at trying to do it. However, we need to level up the playing field. How do we do that? With help of libraries, with help of Web2 developers. So we want to build games that are really worth playing. And that's what we do. We are using agentic architecture to help the game creator to come in from the start, helping them what do you want to build, how you want to go about building that, how do you pick which title, and then blowing up the narrative for you, creating your imagery, graphics for you, and then creating a token and deploying it, bonded on the LUCA curve, just like Virtuals does. So now you can start enlisting your co-creators with you to build it. So AI tools help you with funding, help you with launch. You are building with AI to reduce build time. You are funding through the tokens, monetizing the USGs, and launching with market support. So this is, I don't know if it's going to play or not.
Welcome to LUCA, a revolutionary game co-creation platform that empowers developers to build games collaboratively with their communities. Our agentic architecture uses intelligent AI agents to streamline development, manage community input, and accelerate progress. So what does this mean? You can use LUCA to create your next game end-to-end.
This is real demo. I can show you
Generating genreless titles, narrative and token creation, with simple Google sign-in and user-friendly dashboards. You can incorporate community like never before, and not only ideate, create, and publish your games, but LUCA also helps fundraise for your project and have access to our entire community of patrons. We are bringing together every need of game creation to one place. And now, we can't wait to see what you will create with LUCA.
All of those are examples that were created on the platform. So, and to prove all of that stuff, we actually are building our own game. It's a AAA game that is going to be built on the platform as well, with 1.5 million budget. And this is how it looks like. And all of this, we have partners that are building with us. NVIDIA put us in the Inception program, gave us a grant for $700K once they saw our technology. And what we want to do is have all those partners. Our team is a world-class team, both on the development side and on the gaming side. Right now, we done the pre-seed oversubscribed, and we are raising 5 million seed round right now, and we expecting to TGE by the end of the year for the platform, and the first game in GDC Q1 of next year. So, who wants to go and change how gaming is done with me? Thank you.
Congratulations.
No questions.
Huh?
What about questions?
Wait,
Doctor.
Do they get questions after
Yes.
the timer goes off?
Yes, we have a minute.
We have a minute of
So,
questions.
I just real quickly to dumb this down, you're basically making a pump fund for game creations via AI. Am I reading that correctly?
Correct, with gated, so we protect the community. We're not going to let garbage in, garbage out.
So then are people, developers or prompters having to put down a stake to develop a game?
Yes, they have to put 10,000 LUCA for the initial curve if they wish to launch a token.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you've mentioned something about fundraising also though. What is the nature of the fundraising that you're assisting with? Obviously you run into all kinds of regulatory on that front, potentially.
Expected question from my favorite crypto lawyer. So,
How are you not a security?
we are not a
I
security.
didn't say that, I didn't say that.
We are not security, we are getting the licenses for token issuance, and then you create your token and you are technically responsible for your community and selling that token. We are just gatekeeping it.
Okay, so you're putting it onto the user, which is fine. Okay, got it.
Last question.
Yes, so can you tell a little bit about the revenue model?
So that's an amazing question. So all of that help that we provide, libraries and all that stuff, and our own engineers are all for free. So we are not crazy. We want you to be successful. We want you to create a good game because on the other side, we have in-game item exchange. We have in-game item finance. So you can put your items, game items for rent by other gamers. And the very first in-game item rentals. So when for the gamers, they accumulate a lot of game items. They can rent them out, make money. For the token holders, they can put into the lending pool, and gamers can lend against that to buy the items. And for the game developers, we are capturing the long tail of it because we are sharing our fees that we're making on it, and I'm being kicked off right now.
Congratulations. Big round of applause.